This is the Biology 112 class. It's the second part of the General Biology series. We're looking for what they call benthic macroinvertebrates, and they're a indicator species for water quality.
So one of the tools in our toolbox is to do what we're doing today, stream investigation.
These kids are going to get in the water. We've got a kick net that we've placed in the water. The kids agitate the rocks, they kick them over, they move the substrate around, and they essentially evict the insects from their homes, and they flow down into the net. For the most part, they can also turn over rocks. It's really simple. You don't need a net as much as you just need to get in the water and turn over some rocks and see what's moving around on the underside of these rocks.
Here's a little one. Here's a couple.
Come on, chillins.
And then we take them up on the bank. We use a identification sheet. They identify the critters, and from there, we can figure out which ones can tolerate pollution, which ones cannot tolerate pollution.
We found some dragonfly larvae, which was really awesome. We found some freshwater worms, a crayfish. We found a silverfish who was just flopping around.
So that's a caddisfly, and it makes stacks of leaves as its home, and it's called a log cabin.
A lot of students learn better with being able to put their hands on the stone nymph, on the freshwater worm, than being able to see the picture and be like, okay, that's just a worm, it doesn't really matter. But being able they can see it and how it interacts with the ecosystem around it and its habitat it lives in and everything.
Biology is one of those things you can talk about in class, you can show pictures, you can show movies, but until you actually go in the field and handle some of the materials that real biologists work with on a daily basis, it just doesn't mean quite as much to you in the classroom as it does in the field to get that field experience.